student right here in the city of Auckland. So first of all, congratulations, Shivani, for achieving such an incredible score. It's indeed an incredible honor to have a conversation with you. So guys, Shivani got a 90 out of 90 score in speaking. Yes, and that too in the very first attempt after the coaching. So it's indeed an incredible effort. So once again, congratulations, Shivani. Let's start with speaking itself. You got a 90 out of 90 score in speaking. Please share something about the speaking itself. Yes, Shivani.
I would say, first of all, thank you so much for your introduction, Deep.
Thank you.
For the speaking strategies, I would say that be very, very fluent in what you are saying. Be very clear. Speak a little slow, so that because it's all computer-based exam, there is no, like in person who's sitting and talking to you. Yeah. So make sure that whatever the language, the pronunciation of words that you are using is so correct that computer and machine understands what you are saying. Mm-hmm. And don't get nervous, because speaking is the first exam, like first module of the exam. So most of the times, we are very nervous while we are giving exam, but I would say that try to control that anxiety and try to sit calm and then see that what best, how best you can deliver for your exam.
Absolutely. Nervousness nahi honi chahiye, especially in terms of the exam. Yes, I agree with you 100%. That should not be nervousness. Yes.
Yeah, and one more thing I would like to, that is very, very helpful for all people like us, for exam setters, that intonation of while you're talking, it is very, very important. So make sure that, you use your pauses when it's required for you to do. Don't just talk in a way that, it is a sentence that you have to repeat. So make sure you're talking as if you're actually talking and having a conversation with someone.
Absolutely great. Shivani, one more question. You have also got a very good score in all of the modules. So you have nearly an 8-band score in 2 modules and 1 9-band score. So any secret, how many hours you were regularly studying? Like, what was your study pattern?
I used to do a lot of practice. I used to do a lot of practice for the exam, for the those mock tests and those that tutorial exams that you used to give it to us. I used to study on an average, I would say 3 to 4 hours a day.
3 to 4 hours a day. Okay.
Yeah, especially for the reading and writing, because I had to get a very high score for writing. So I did a lot of practice for writing. I actually did a lot of essays and whatever you recommended. So yes, make sure that this exam is all about practice. So more you practice, more you get into the rhythm of, understanding the strategies, and then only you'll be able to crack it.
Correct. And you have achieved excellence, and you are inspiration for a lot of people out there. Everyone, har bande ko, they want to get a score like yourself, a nearly 8-band score, first time after the coaching as well. So also one more question, like a lot of people have reasonably good understanding towards English, like yourself have one. So aapko kya lagta hai? Do you think, like, if you have a good English sense, or if you have a good skills, do you think you can easily crack this examination, or what is your opinion on that?
No, I would like to, give you my personal opinion and my personal journey here. So I would say, yes, my foundation and everything was like my studies, and from my childhood to my university level has always been in English. But then also I was finding it very difficult to crack this exam. First of all, I was not aware of the strategies.
Correct.
So it is not that कि जिनको ये English आती है उनके लिए exams crack करना बहुत easy है. I would say it is equivalent hard for those people as well. So what I understood from you is, when I took your help, you actually made sure that I understand like little bit details, like how to hold the speaker, from what distance you need to maintain, what kind of other strategies that you always tell us. So I would say that even if you are perfect in your English, your writing, reading skills are absolutely perfect. But if you are planning to go for your PT exam, it's worth, taking your tutorials. It is really, like, I would recommend 10, 100,000, I don't know how many percentage, if I can recommend, that you are star in this, like you know what it is, and it's best to at least check with you and speak to you.
Thank you so much. It was indeed congratulations one more time. And any last advice would you like to share, Shivani? Any last advice, especially for the exam, how everyone can achieve a score like yourself? Any last message or any last advice from your side, since you are an expert now, getting an overall 8-band score? Yes.
Yeah, there are a few tips that I would like to share. So I followed that and it helped me. So first of all, when you're preparing for your exam, make sure that your surroundings, like if you're watching TV, if you're listening to music or listening to radio, make sure that it's all English medium, like English channels, so that you understand the vocabulary and the accent. And once you get used to, your ears and your mind get used to this, it's very easy for you to like understand a lot of different accents in the exam. That's one strategy. You will not even actually, Deep, you don't even get to know that you are actually getting there, but gradually you are there and you get to know when you get your exam results. Another is that don't get too nervous. It is just an exam. And with your help, I would say everyone can achieve it. So don't get too nervous. Follow your strategies. You gave us a very, very great strategy for speaking. You said that wait for some time when your exam starts. I did that. I waited for, few minutes. So I did not immediately start talking, like speaking in my module. So do follow that strategies. And the fourth most important strategy, I would say, make sure that you do enough practice for your exam before your exams. I remember I had to sit for my exam at 9 o'clock after spending like two months approximately for my practice. But then also I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning and I was preparing and, kept on practicing till I sat for my exam. So make sure that you do a lot of hard work. Follow whatever you actually provide, a lot of questions and mock examples, mock tests, whatever you call it. But make sure that you actually do that and repeatedly do that.
Right.
It really helps.
Practice will help you in a great deal. So once again, congratulations, Shivani. It was indeed my honor to have a conversation with you. And it's great achievement. And once again, wish you all the best for your future. And once again, thank you for everything. And thank you for a wonderful experience. And overall, it was pleasure knowing you. So once again, all the best with your journey. Thank you so much, Shivani.
Thank you, Deep. Thank you so much.
See you then. Bye.